Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, looking at some technical indicators, looking at the MACD, the stochastic, and the moving average. And we're looking at Tesla. So with Tesla, over the last week on the 2nd and the 3rd, we got a couple of down arrows. Now I know last week was a good week and a bad week for Tesla. Alright, they had a lot of FUD out there. I thought the stock could have moved a lot lower than it did. Luckily, it didn't move that much. I mean, it moved down a little. But overall, not too bad. Now you can see the MACD is going a little more negative, and it's ready to flip to the negative side. So we could get 3 down arrows. So we could go down to a more support level. About 400 is as low as it would go. If it goes down to 400, I am loading up the boat. Let me tell you. Alright? But I don't know if it's going to go that low. I think it's not going to go much below 600, it looks like. We're in a little bit of a range right now. I didn't sell any options because I knew there was going to be some uncertainty in the stock. There's a lot of volatility right now in the market overall. So I might sell an option, but it won't be next week. That's for sure. Or this week. Whenever you're looking at this video. It's not going to be anytime real soon until these arrows start turning green again. I might do some dollar cost averaging in on Tesla. I might buy another 5 shares here and there just to get in a little bit cheaper because I'm really in up about $700 right now, my cost basis. I have to plug it into my spreadsheet. I have to go check that out. Maybe I'll show you guys the spreadsheet where I keep all that stuff. Let me know if you're interested in that in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my videos to keep up to date on Tesla, stock action, price action on the Tesla, and what I do, whether I'm buying or selling, or I don't think I'm selling. I think I'm holding this thing for a long time. It's like a ETF in it of itself, right? You got solar, batteries, storage, power generation. You got the cars. It's huge, huge company. A lot of potential out there. I also did an independent price analysis on it. Go see my other video on that. I have a price target on it. About $1,500 in the next few years. So hopefully that'll come to fruition real soon. Anyway, guys, be sure to subscribe and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And check out my next trade for Tesla this week. Thanks for watching.